Hey guys, it's Kevin. This next video I filmed a while back and I wanted to put a little intro in front of it. Originally, when I filmed the video, I used this Insta360 GO little camera clipped to my hat. So this video has a lot of kind of shaky movements. So apologize in advance for that quality, but I hope you enjoy the content. The video itself is going to be about a vintage RC transmitter kit that I acquired off of eBay a while back. And so that is what we're going to show next. Hope you like it, and we'll see you on the other side. Thanks. This 2-channel radio control system from here it is. It still doesn't show it. Leisure Dynamics. Come on, there's got to be a date here somewhere. It's ancient is what it is. 1980 maybe. Let's see what's inside here. Look at this. Look at this registration card. Yay, 1976, copyright, Cox Airtronics. Look at that. Too bad I can't send that in Santa Ana, California. They're gone. Bummer. Manual. Okay, got the manual here. It's all... Oh yeah, frequency codes, unpacking, installation of batteries. 12 AA batteries. Man, I wish I had one of these 3 channels. Those things are really rare. 3 channel, single stick. Yeah, 2 channel. Servo tray, servos, battery pack, receiver. Instructions on hooking it up to a boat or a car or a plane. Yeah. God, this is cool. So, 12 AA batteries. I remember when I had my first 2-channel Cox radio, I could never afford the batteries. Hey, look at a rebate for rechargeable batteries from General Electric. When does it expire? Wow, no expiration? That's hysterical. Wonder if that, what would happen if I mailed this off? That'd be hysterical, huh? Yeah, okay. Wow. Very cool. Okay. Servo tray, transmitter, battery pack, antenna. This is cool. This is a little spring and catch that you can put inside this transmitter. You can take this transmitter apart, put this little spring and catch in the back, and remove the spring return on this stick. So, like for an airplane, for the glider that we're going to put this in, this is going to be 2-channel, and it's going to be elevator up and down, and then rudder right and left. But if this were being used in a car or a boat, you'd have rudder right and left, and you'd have throttle. And your throttle would be basically low throttle, high throttle, and you'd want the throttle to stay. So that's what this little thing is for. This allows you to get rid of this bounce center return thing and just have it be a like ratcheting throttle. So we're not going to use that because we're putting this in the glider. Okay, here's the receiver. Oh, look at that rubber band. Bam. Peel and unstick here. Okay. And we got a nice antenna. You gotta be careful not to kink the antenna. Damn, that's a long antenna. I remember my buddy had one of these ages ago, and he was like, yeah, antenna's too long, I'm going to cut it shorter. We didn't realize that there's a reason the antenna is a certain length. So, servo. Wow, look at that. Okay. And servo. Yeah. Okay. These are 80411 and 80412. These are actually like, I think these rotate in different directions. So, and there was no servo reversing. So we will, we'll hook it up accordingly with the rudder and elevator. We'll figure out how that's going to work. Let's see, we got switch. Undo the switch. Yeah, throw some batteries in here. And whoa. This glider, the batteries actually add quite a bit of weight to the glider, but it ends up being way up at the front, so it gives you the right center of gravity that you need. But I'm curious to know, just curious to know how this glider would fly if we put a modern, lightweight lithium-ion battery in it instead of these big 4AA's. So I might look at that as well, because I don't even know if this is going to work. This has been sitting in a box, slowly decaying for 40 plus years. This technology, tends to start misbehaving over time. The circuitry, right? Capacitors, the components, they age. They just don't work as well over time. So we'll see. I gotta remember how to get this thing in. Oh boy. There we go. That. Come on. There we go. Oh no, you put that away. There we go. Makes sense. Ow, 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 ow. Come on. There we go. And one more. There we go. All right. So let's see. Transmitter turns on first normally. We got battery power, which is interesting. It shows the battery's kind of weak. Those are brand new batteries. So I'm going to turn this on and see what happens. Okay. We have... Oh, look at that. Look at all that noise. That is amazing. And we got antenna. Oh, does the battery... Oh, the battery thing just went way up. That's right. This is the signal output. This isn't the battery. Okay, yeah, that's right. It's the signal output. So the battery just went way up when I pulled the antenna up. All right. There we go. There we go. Well, that works. So we will assume that this is going to work. And we will install it in the Double Eagle glider and get things hooked up to the controls, and then we'll take it out and take it out for a test flight.